Hello guys, and welcome back to an episode of The Sexy Tablespoon, which is proof that if you nag me to do something enough, I will eventually do it. This evening we are going to be making my much requested oil-free curry fries. Your mise en place for this recipe is going to be about 2 to 4 pounds of whatever kind of potato you want to use. Tonight we are going to be using a combination of orange sweet potatoes and russet potatoes because they are cheap, always available, and pretty darn delicious. So the trick to making oil-free fries that are tender and moist and well cooked on the inside and crispy and crunchy and not overdone on the outside is to pre-boil your potatoes. So I just boil mine until they're done and totally edible. The other trick when you're making oil-free fries is to pre-boil them, and then if you have the time, let the potatoes cool down while they're still in the cook water. That way when you cut them open, there won't be a ton of steam coming out, because that steam escaping is the moisture, and that is what is going to keep your potatoes nice and moist and delicious. I wonder if I can say the word moist one more time. Okay, you ready to cut the potatoes?
Shoot.
Now you have potato on your face. It's all in your beard. You just wiped it all over your ear.
Oh my god, that's right. We're cooking. It's fine.
Maybe half long ways, then in thirds.
And then half this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
In addition to your potatoes, you're gonna need whatever spice mixture you decide to put on top of your potatoes. This is my favorite one, okay?
Can I guess what's in there?
Sure.
Cumin?
Mm-hmm.
Oregano?
Yes.
Um,
Okay, you guys know me. I'm not very good at measuring. So there is approximately 1 tablespoon of cumin, about 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon or so of dried oregano, about a teaspoon of each salt and black pepper, and then at least a tablespoon of the curry powder. And I don't have it right now, but garlic powder and powdered onions. We'll just put this over the top. Since your potatoes are cooked, so they're moist, the spices will stick to your potatoes. You don't need oil for it. Since we just have a tiny little oven and it kind of takes forever to cook things in it, I crowd my potato fries. You can definitely space them out and give them more room to get nice and crispy. We just have, like I said, the small countertop oven, so I just crank that thing up to where it says like 500. On a large size oven, you could crank it up to 350 or higher. It's up to you. You could even just put it on broil. Because what we're going to do is we're just going to put these onto a high heat for just a few minutes, and it'll crisp up the outside, and since the inside is fully cooked, you don't have to worry about cooking them for ages.
makes sense to me.
It makes sense, and it reduces the formation of AGEs.
That feels good.
And it tastes better, to be perfectly honest. I was never a greasy French fry fan.
I am. Still. When I can get my hands on them.
But you like my fries better.
Oh yeah. Yeah, of course. What? Hell yeah. Yes. Like your fries way better.
Off and B-roll. Baby, stop eating them.
Fuck that.
Stop.
One more.
Stop.
Just one more.
No, you're gonna eat them all.
The small one right here.
cilantro without the upper half of our faces. So to go with those curry fries, we made some guacamole and some oil-free hummus. So all of this is totally oil-free. Isn't that like amazing?
It is. Oh my god.
You want to try it with the hummus? My plan is to just put all the recipes up on my Facebook page. Ready to go eat?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh my god. This is so good. Oh my god, I love food so much.
Oh, wait. Maybe give her a
A
small
tear literally just fell out of her eye.
piece. Okay.
Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the glorious return of the sexy tablespoon. Let me know if you guys try this recipe. Please do not hesitate to take a picture of it, put it on Facebook, hashtag legitdelicious, contribute to the legit deliciousness, whole plant food goodness going on over there. And as always, until next time, make better choices for yourself. No one's gonna do it for you, and take really good care of yourselves. I will see you all so very soon. Bye! I need to wash my finger.
Oh, what's wrong with your finger?
I had petunia hummus all over.
Oh, yeah, that was gross.
Levi still has muscles.
Stop saying that.
Yeah. Ow! Hey! Ow!